The solar system, a tiny speck in the entire universe, the reason for our existence, housing numerous celestial bodies well beyond our reach. But today's topic is the Red Planet. If you thought the Grand Canyons were a labyrinth to navigate, think again. Noctis Labyrinthus, or Labyrinth of the Night, formed by volcanoes and tectonic plate movements in the Tharsis region, spans almost 1,190 kilometers in diameter, with graben systems in which valleys reach up to 5,000 meters in depth, relative to which the Grand Canyon only has a maximum depth of 1,830 meters. Bored of the reddish-orange sunsets on planet Earth? Travel to Mars to see them in blue. You see, unlike Earth, Mars does not have any atmosphere, so light does not get scattered, and blue light is retained during the process. The phenomenon is called Rayleigh scattering, which is inversely proportional to the wavelength of light. Hence, shorter the wavelength, more prominent it will be. Eventually, we will colonize Mars someday, but what if for some reason you can't make it and wish to reach out to family? No worries, you can write to them, but it is going to be very expensive. That's exactly what the Royal Mail did in 2015. Consult NASA to get an estimate for a letter to reach Mars, and that magic number is US dollars 18,000 for 100-gram mail. We are all well aware of what constitutes the Earth's layers and that the flowing of the liquid core and rotation of the Earth on its axis generates magnetic fields, which holds the atmosphere in place. Mars has a similar structure but with a solid core, thus preventing the planet from generating any magnetic fields. Also, the crust does not have any tectonic plates, hence no earthquakes, but the largest volcanoes of any planet, from successive eruptions at the same point. Dust storms are huge on Mars. The 2018 storm covered the entire planet up to 4 months and killed the NASA Opportunity rover. But as large-scale as they are, winds can only reach a maximum of 60 miles per hour. A significant recent find has proven that these storms are one of the reasons why Mars is so dry. The inherent heat from the dust pushes water molecules to the top, and the sun's UV rays split them into oxygen and hydrogen, and they are lost to space. Scientists are working to convert 96% of the carbon dioxide in Mars's atmosphere to oxygen, not by using a technical contraption, but a naturally available resource called the cyanobacteria. This bacteria uses a principle of photosynthesis, using chloroplasts to carry out the process of conversion, very similar to plants. This is Gimme Facts. If you liked our content, please hit the like button and subscribe. Also, check out our video on the ISRO and their successful maiden Mars mission for less than a movie's budget.